All right, you know how guys will throw on a turbocharger on their car or take it to a tuner, hook it up to the dyno to get maximum horsepower. You know, they'll adjust the air-fuel mixture for maximum horsepower. Well, take that idea to what I'm doing today. And I'm going to share with you a couple of quick things that I learned, and I had to order some parts. But let me show you what's going on here. So what I'm doing is maximum volume test and voltage, and what I'm doing is testing these step-up booster converters, and I have 3 of them right here, and all 3 of them are doing the same thing, and I don't like it. So when I go to max volume, I've got it set for 23 volts right here, right? And I crank this dog up, and this voltage just drops right down. I was thinking, well, if the voltage drops down, the current should go back up. But it doesn't. That was the weird thing about it. The thing just sets right there about 2.5 amps of current draw, right? It's always using 2.5 amps, but the voltage will drop right down. So, you know, what the heck is going on here? So I ordered, I tried different voltage settings on here. I went down to 19 volts, went up to 24. I might keep it at 24. It seems to be run a little bit healthier there. But from what I can tell is that these step-up converters aren't all they're cracked up to be. So I ordered one that has a little bit heavier duty, more capacitors and filters on there, and we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I kind of went cheap on these step-up boosters. It makes good sound. It goes loud, but I just don't think it's getting the correct amount of current to drive the amplifier, which drives the speakers. So I don't know if it's a lessons learned or a gee whiz moment or whatever, but this is kind of fine-tuning on the dyno here, and with meters, numbers don't lie. So all right, guys, have a good Saturday, and we'll see you next time.